Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because it is an update to my Pan That Face palette. I am so excited for this update. I am not going to spoil anything for you right now, but if you're interested in seeing how I did on my Pan That Face palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I cannot believe what I'm about to show you. This is so exciting. Okay, are you ready? Ta-da, ta-da. I have used up a highlighter. I can't believe it. Oh, holy fuck, this is so exciting. I am halfway done basically with my Pan That Face palette because I used up this gold highlighter. So you will see pictures of how the palette was looking, you know, throughout the course of this project. But let me tell you, last month I used this palette 15 times in order to finish it off. So overall, it took me 82 times to finish off that sucker. 82 times, can you believe it? And I was using this shade as my highlighter as well as my inner corner, and then also sometimes as my eyelid shade. So, you know, I was obviously just counting it as one use. I wasn't recording multiple uses, but 82 times for me to finish that off. This is so exciting. But yeah, this is all done, and now I have a free reign of using any highlighter that I want until I finish this one off, and then I'll be on to another palette to finish off. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. So yeah, this is all finished up. When it comes to the blusher in this palette, as you will probably see in the pictures, I have expanded the pan, you know, significantly, maybe not, but it has been expanded. So I also used this shade 15 times over, or since my last update, for a total of 79 times throughout this project. However, because this shade, you know, this pan is quite large right now, I think I will actually repress this shadow, or this blusher shade. I actually use this as my transition shade, sometimes as a blush, but most of the time as my transition shade, because it's hard to fit a brush into this guy. Plus it's kind of tightly packed, so whenever I try to, you know, use an angled brush like this to kind of fit in here, it doesn't really pick up that much product. So maybe this will change after I repress it, which I'm hoping, so that I can use it up more quickly. But yeah, this usually, this is the word that I'm looking for, I use this blush shade as my transition shade. But yeah, you know, I'm super excited. I will be repressing it, so hopefully it will go, I will go through it. I am lost for words. That's how excited I am for finishing up this highlighter. What I mean is that hopefully when I repress it, it will go more faster. And I will put a picture up here so that you can see how it looks when I repressed it. But yeah, that is it for my update. One more shade, I would say about 3 more months, and then we will be done with this palette. As I mentioned, I am not panning this palette because it is too dark for me. It is more of a kind of bronzer topper, and I'm not about that life, so I won't be even touching that shade. But that's fine, honestly. If I can get use 2 out of 3 shades in this palette, I'm happy out. But yeah, that is it, I think, for this update. Like I mentioned, my goal for this guy is to repress it and hopefully hit pan on it after I repress it pretty soon. And I'm hoping, like I said, in 3 months that I will be done with this palette altogether. But yeah, like I said, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this exciting little update, then give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.